Today we are setting up the exact foundation I will be using for every lab on this channel. Starting with VMware Workstation Pro, which Broadcom made completely free for personal use. I will show you how to install it the right way, set up a clean folder structure from day one, and flag a few things that trip people up along the way. Let's get into it. Here is what we are covering: 7 quick steps from account to a fully organized VMware setup. Let's go to install the VMware Workstation. Okay. So most of this is just next. There is nothing complicated. Okay, it's done. And we can see VMware Workstation is free, no license. So before I create a single VM, I want to clean reusable folder structure in place. This is going to carry through every lab on this channel. So let's set it up right now. Templates in one place, working labs in another, and I will point VMware's default location straight at it. Okay. Templates, new directory, new folder, labs, and in the folder templates, I want to create one is Linux server, another one is Windows server, the last one is Windows client. Okay, and I want my virtual machine be connected to virtual machine and read lines, and then I will move them on the right directory. And that's it. VMware installed, licensed for free, and we've got a clean folder structure ready to go. Full write up, and all the commands are on GitHub. Links in the description. Next up, we will build our first Windows Server template VM from this exact setup. See you there.